Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, I am going to show you how to add wishlist in your Shopify Dawn theme without any apps, without any coding skill, because I am going to share everything step by step and very good snippet. It's very important feature of any Shopify online store, and by default you will not get this feature any free Shopify theme. That's why I want to say this tutorials is exclusive tutorials for any Shopify store owner or for any Shopify new learner who wanted to become a Shopify store developer, designer or customizer. Okay, so let's get started. As I have already mentioned that you don't have to know any coding, you don't have to use any apps. That's why I have already published an article in my website e-commerce thesis how to add wishlist in Shopify Dawn theme without app, and I will share this article links in the video description where you will get all the ready code snippet. Okay, and first of all I want to show you the result, then I want to show you the process how you can do this by yourself without hiring any developer, without spending any money or any coding skill. Okay, so you can see that I'm in the one of my Shopify store that I have developed. Okay, and you see that there is a option name in not in wishlist, and we can add wishlist this product. So click on this icon and you can see the update in your wishlist right now. And if I go to your wishlist page, looks here we have added this product. Copy this product title and go to the wishlist page, find, you see here is my wishlist product. So now I'm going to my Shopify admin panel in customize section to show you how it's work. Okay, so here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store. Then click customize. And then click on the settings or gear icon. You see there is an option named wishlist and click on here. You see I have added to subscribe our channel e-commerce thesis, or you can subscribe to my personal channel in this channel. Okay, you can enable or disable wishlist from here. You see enable floating button has wishlist has been gone. Okay, and you can change the position of wishlist, for example middle right, bottom right. You see the wishlist in the bottom right now. If I move it bottom center, looks here is the wishlist. We can change it bottom left, yes, then middle left, you see, and finally we can move it on the middle right as it was in previous. Okay, so now we are going to learn how we can do this, and I'm going to show you the total process in a new Shopify store where wishlist is not available. Okay, to do this we are going to another Shopify online store. Here another ready Shopify online store that I have designed for one of my client. And if I go to any product page, for example open this product, no wishlist available in here, you see. Okay, so we want to add wishlist right now. Okay, to do this, first you have to go to my website e-commerce thesis, and you have to go to in this page how to add wishlist in DOM theme without app. You will get this code snippet link or article link in the video description, so check out the video description right now. Okay, then step 1, you have to create a new template named wishlist. So copy the name and go to the admin panel of this store. Faisal look. Here is the admin panel of this store. Faisal look. Okay. Then click online store. Then click on this 3 dot icon. Edit code. Okay. Now you have to create a new template. So open template folder, add a new template, template name, select template type page, select liquid, add template file name wishlist, click on the done. Go back, copy this code, paste in here, click on the save. We have done step 1. Then after creating template, assign this to page. You can name it wishlist. So copy the name of page, go back, exist it, create on the pages. So then click add page, add page title wishlist, select template wishlist, click on the save. Okay, then we have to create new snippet name wishlist. So copy the name, go back our store, click online store again, click on this 3 dot icon, edit code, open snippet folder, add a new snippet. Okay, add file name, click done. Okay, then copy this code snippet, paste in here, save. Then scroll down. Now step 3, adding wishlist. Now step 3, adding wishlist button in the product page. So we are going to our admin panel again, click on the customize, then wait a little bit time, click on here, select product, default product, and we have to wait a little bit time, add wishlist after button. So click on here, custom liquid. Okay, then copy this code, just click on here, add custom liquid, paste it, click on the save. Okay, we have done step 3. Now step 4, we have to add the following code in setting schema.json. So copy this code, go to the admin panel again, exist it, then click on this 3 dot icon again, edit code, open config setting schema.json, open it and paste the following code in here. We can paste following code in here also, make some space. Okay, then click save. Now exit it, go back our website, scroll down, and now we are in the step 5, add code in the theme.liquid. So go back our admin panel, open in this 3 dot icon, edit code, open theme.liquid file. You will find this file under layout folder. Then copy this code snippet, add this code under body tag, scroll down or search Ctrl F body, search on here. Looks here is the body tag, add some space, then paste the code that you have copied from here from step 5. So paste it, click on the save, asset save, go back. Okay, now we have to add this following CSS code after above end style in the theme.liquid file, that's mean in the same file. So here is the theme.liquid file, Ctrl F again, end style, find it. Here is the not after, we have to add above. So copy all the code, click on here and paste it in here, click on the save. Okay, we have done all the step or all the process. Now we are going to our Shopify admin panel in the customization section. So let me show you everything from the beginning. I am right now on the Shopify admin panel. Then click online store, then click customize, then click on the gear icon. You see there is the option named Wishlist. Also we are going to open product page, default product. Okay, and we are going to open Wishlist from the theme settings, subscribe to our channel, enable Wishlist, enable it, enable floating button, enable, then middle right. You see your wish list not in wish list, click on the save. Okay, if I move it on the button left, looks here your wish list in here. Okay, move it in the middle right again. Okay, and now go back our product page, reload. Okay, you see not in wish list, wish list is enable, and if I click on it, you see in your wish list, that's when this product added on our wish list. Then if I click on your wish list button, you see the product added on our wish list page. Looks here. If I go to our store home page and going to open this one for example, and looks here, click on that. Yes, then your wish list, click on this button. Wow, it's working. So I think you can do it by yourself right now after watching this video and taking the all code snippet from here, and you can do it very perfectly and you will get the final result like this one. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.